Hi guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make AI generated art using Blue Willow. First of all, if you're in this video, that means you probably haven't used Blue Willow in the past yet. So what you need to do first is make sure you have a Discord account, which I already do. So if you haven't, make sure you have one. Go create one. So now what we need to do is go to our browser and search up Blue Willow and go to the website and click on try now for free. What this will do is invite you to the server and it will send you to the Blue Willow server. What you need to do now is head over to the rookies or one of these channels. But for me, I have my own server that I already put Blue Willow in. And in order to make generative art using Blue Willow, all you need to do is type in imagine, then space, and then prompt. And then you just type in whatever you want. Let's say I want a photorealistic portrait of Elon Musk. Then all you need to do is wait. It might take a few seconds or half a minute actually before you get it. And there you go. You get pictures of Elon Musk. You are given like 4 prompts. And if you ever like one of these, all you need to do is click on one of these and it will upscale the first picture, and there you go. You can save that. Let's try another one. So let's say we imagine a photograph of Julius Caesar in the modern age. Okay, let's try it out. There you go. 4 pictures of Julius Caesar wearing some outfit that's clearly inspired by other cultures. Doesn't look Roman at all, but it does look like he is in the modern age, and that's what we wanted. So if you like one of these, you can just choose, oh, maybe I like this 4th one. Click on U4. And it will upscale that picture for us. And here you go. That is how you make generative AI art using Blue Willow. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Unravel. And I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And see you in the next one.